YouTube, it's your boy D2Ray in this thing, man. Today I got a banger video for y'all, and it's gonna be a good one. And I've been waiting for longer to get these, bro. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you get all my videos when I post. And yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me. This gonna be a long video today. But y'all stay tuned. What's up, y'all? Man, I had to make a quick stop and get me a snowball, man. It's so hot outside. I'm telling you. It's been a hot summer. I can tell you that. Man. It's 4:08 when it's hot like this. Like jumping in the pool or something. This riddle right here is crazy. Man. But yeah. My package should be here around 4:30. And y'all gonna see what I got. Y'all already know what I got. Y'all gonna see how they look when I open the box up for y'all. But shoot, I'ma hit y'all back when I get to the next spot. Well, so y'all, today is currently the next day, and I'm sorry that I didn't get to do the whole video in that one day. And we still dropping it. No cap, this is so important to me, man. I'm gonna drop this, man. But we got a special guest with us today. My dog, Chuck. Come here, Chuck. Sit. Big boy, good boy. Got my dog right here, man. But yeah, that's Chuck, y'all. My dog. Yeah, my dog right here. Sit, Chuck. Good boy. Yeah, that's my dog, Chuck. Y'all gonna see more videos with him. And it's a good day to be outside this morning. And yeah, man. I know I look rusty right now, but I'm gonna get cleaned up later, and we gonna go get them headlight put on. My boy, finna look so mean on that car. I'm telling you. But yeah. If you ain't like my video, what you doing? Get up. Make sure you like the video, man. I'm not finna keep dropping videos back to back if y'all ain't tuning in. Come on, man. But yeah, man. My dog Chuck. And stay tuned, man. We got more things to do today. This is a new day. I'm not gonna mess y'all up today, man. But yeah, we finna get ready, man. Tune in. No cap. What's up, y'all? Finna get ready in the head there. I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Well, y'all, I'm here. I gotta let her stay here at the shop, and they're telling me to come back around 3 o'clock, and it should be ready. But I'm gonna see y'all in this clip around 3 o'clock or 2:59. I'm gonna show you the finished product of my car. I finally got my car back, y'all. Man, this mud looking nice. Like, for real. That mud so hard, bro. I'm finna show you what it look like in the daytime. Then later on the night, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like at night. Look at her.
Turn right.
Hello!
Why are you scared?
At the stop sign, turn right. Then take the first right onto US 49 South.
Oh, snap. What happened?
That what's the name? The tire look out. My husband.
But yeah, my girl jumped my car for the first time. Got me scared over here.
What you scared of? I got you.
This how gonna be when you get your charger.
I'm gonna drive faster than that. I'm just trying to respect your car. That's all. I'll be.
In half a mile, turn right onto East Drive.
I can't forget about Caden back there. Where we going? Taylorville? Yeah, I went all the way to Taylorville to meet her grandma.
Turn right onto North 28th Avenue.
Y'all hear that mud? What?
At the next stop
This
sign,
some good lighting,
turn right.
y'all. This some good lighting. Yeah. When I told y'all I'm gonna let y'all see the headlights at night, I bet you they're gonna
At
like
the stop
be
sign,
hard at
turn
night
right
for
onto
real
North
though.
31st Avenue.
Man, shut up, Siri.
Not even serious.
I mean, the
Google
map.
Maps. Or whatever it is. I know what a graveyard is.
At the stop sign, turn right onto North 31st Avenue.
Oh, goodness. How you know that?
Been pushing this mud.
You're making me nervous.
How I'm making you nervous?
You're making me nervous.
Look, she
Y'all,
looking
tell him to
good.
give me a ring. How about that? Since he want to do something.
That's coming pretty soon, y'all. Pretty soon.
I hear you.
Yep, coming really soon.
He didn't say how long it took him to do it.
I got there around like 9 o'clock. 9 to 10 o'clock. It took him about like 3 hours.
He has somebody with him.
Yeah,
That's not bad.
I got him on auto right now. But yeah. I need to start making like POV drives when I be driving. I'm talking to the people too. Yeah, that'll be a good thing though, to make POV drives. While you in it too?
At the light, turn left onto US
No,
49.
they painted that. They done painted that about 10 times since I was little.
What place?
That's the Mexican restaurant.
What place you was talking about?
What you talking about? The Mexican restaurant right here. You know, it used to be Pizza Hut. It was Pizza Hut to something else.
Look at this traffic, y'all. What's the rush? it back to the crib, and today was a long day, good day, and made it back home safe. And another thing I gotta say before I end this, but thank y'all for watching the whole video. Another thing, make sure you subscribe, comment, and like, and turn the notification bell. And it's your boy D-Rated. I'm out.